Okay, today our topic in Microsoft Word is about other illustrations that consist of shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, chart, and screenshot. Shape are used to add shapes on Microsoft Word page. How can we add shapes on a page? Just go to Shape command and select any of the shape you want to draw on your page. Select shape, click and drag on your page. It will draw any type of shape on your page. Shape can be edited also like a picture. Click on the shape, you will see a menu shape format. After the help menu here, you can change the style of the shape. For example, go here on the first button, you can see change shape. Change shape can easily change your shape also, and you can see added points. In this added points you can edit any point of your shape and reshape it to the shape you want to design. It can convert a shape to a curve also. If you want to add some text on a shape, just drag and draw a shape here, and then right click on the shape and click add text. You can type any type of text on your shape. If you want to resize that text, change the font of that text, select it and go to the home menu. Choose the font you want to apply on text. You can resize it also. You can change the case of the font also. In the shape format, you have other commands like styles of the shape. For example, I want to apply a color style here. We'll choose the shape and select the color style, whatever we want to apply on our shape. Next is shape fill. In this command, you can choose the fill of your choice. Here you have no fill choice also. You can fill a picture from here also from file and click browse to choose a picture. For example, I've got some pictures over here. In my download folder, I want to choose that picture behind the shape. You can see that there is a picture behind the shape, which is added as a fill in my picture. Now you can also apply the gradient. Here are some gradients. Gradient means a mixture of two or more colors is called a gradient. You can choose any gradient style here. You can go to more gradients and pick a gradient of your choice also. We have also a choice of texture here. You can choose any texture as a background of your shape. If you don't want fill, go to fill and choose no fill. You can choose fill from here also. Shape outline, it will add an outline color to your shape. Here you can see the outline. If you zoom up your shape, you have the blue outline around your shape. Next to that, we have few more commands about shape editing. These are quick styles. These are the text styles. Oh, sorry, we have one command left over here, that is shape effects, shadow. It will spread a shadow around the shape. You can choose any type of shadow, inner shadow, perspective shadow, outer shadow. Reflection, you can choose any reflection style for your shape like a picture. And there are many other effects like glow, soft edges, bevel, 3D rotation. Choose any of them and apply it to your shape. You can also undo it by pressing Ctrl Z. Then there is a quick style option. In this quick style, you can apply any style to your text on your shape. You can also choose the color for your text from here, outline for your text from here, and glowing effects, reflection effects for your text, or transformation effects for your text also from here. Next is text direction. Text direction changes the direction of your given text. You can change it to any direction. Then text alignment. You can align it to the left, to the center, to the right of your given shape. Next is create link. This is like a hyperlink. Click create link command and select a file you want to link with this text. Next is alt text. Alt text is used to add additional text with your shape, and you can choose it from here. Next option is positioning of the shape. For positioning, we need some text over our page. For that purpose, I'll go to add some text here. Now we have text, and we can position the shape with respect to text also. Like we have placed our pictures with respect to text, how that is positioned with respect to page, that is top left, top center, top right, center left, center right. When we choose the position, our shape will automatically adjust to that position. Next option is wrapping. We can choose the option square. When we choose the option square, we can move the shape to any part of our page and arrange it to the position wherever we want. Shape will automatically make the place and adjust with the text. Next option is tight, thorough, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of text, and arrow trap points. All points are used to arrange the shape according to our page. We can choose, normally we use the option square here. Next option is send to backward, bring forward. For that purpose, we need another shape. I'm going to draw some other shape over here. For example, I've drawn this shape, and we are going to choose color for this also. Now we'll choose wrapping of square here and move it to the existing shape. You can see that it is in front of our shape. Now, if I click send to back, it will take my shape back of the existing shape. Bring forward, selection panels will show me how much shapes I have used in this document. We can also rotate or flip the shape according to the given angle. Flip horizontally, flip vertically, rotate at the 90-degree angle. Next option is resizing of shape. Resizing means to change the size of shape. For example, I want it to be 2 by 2 inches. You can see that computer has automatically resized my shape. We can also do it by clicking any node. You can see 8 nodes around the shape, and you can move it forward or backward to resize your image. Uh, Instead of nodes, there is another option, this round arrow. You can use this round arrow to rotate your shape on your page. If you don't want to use the shape, just click the shape and press delete button on your keyboard. It will be deleted from your page. Next option is icon. You can find the icon option in Microsoft Office 2021 only. It needs internet to be connected. So at the time I don't have internet connected on my page. So I'm going to connect internet with my PC first, so that we may be able to use that option icon. Now we have icons over here. This is the online library of Microsoft Word that contains a lot of icons. We can choose any of the icons from here and insert it to our page. Here are the icons. For example, I need the this briefcase icon. I choose the icon and click insert. You will see an icon will be added to my page. We can resize it like a picture. We can change the color of the icon by graphic format. toolbar. We can also apply the outline styles to our icons. We can also position our icon like a picture. If you don't want the icon, just click the icon and press delete button and you can remove the icon from your page. Next option is 3D models. These are also found only in Microsoft Office 2021. 3D models contain a lot of stock 3D models. You can choose them online and apply it to your page. So this also needs internet connection. Here we have a lot of 3D models, like we have animated animals, we have animated education projects, we have chemistry projects, physics projects, toys, outdoors, biological projects, and a lot more in the form of 3D models. If you want to use any of the 3D models, just choose the category of 3D models and select a model that you want to show on your page. For example, I want to show this thing on my page. I've selected it and click insert. After a moment, depends upon your internet speed, it will be added to your page. You can see this model on your page now, and you can move it to any direction. You can see it from your from bottom, you can see it from top, from left, from right, and you can arrange it to any style on your page. We have 3D model toolbar also, which can also be used to select the position of your 3D model on your page. We can also wrap it like a picture and place it wherever we want on our page. If you don't want that 3D model, just click the 3D model and press delete button on your keyboard. Next option is smart art. Smart art contains a lot of graphical arts like hierarchy charts, process charts, cycling charts. For example, I want to show a process chart here. You can see that here are a lot of process charts that can be added to my page. We have cycling charts also, we have list charts also, hierarchy charts also, relationship charts also, matrices, pyramids. For example, we have got the hierarchy here, and I'm going to add my organizational hierarchy chart here. For that purpose, we'll choose an option, a chart from here. You can see that it contains a box and we can add the text. For example, we say that our top management is managing director. Managing director has a director, and below that we have teaching staff. And I don't want this shape to be here. We have option to remove it also. We can click and delete it. And other thing is non-teaching staff. For this teaching staff, I want another shape here. I will select it and click add shape. Below, you can see another shape is added here. Add shape below. And we can add more and more shapes. And add it to our hierarchy chart. This chart shows us our organizational hierarchy. In the similar way, you can type any type of you can make chart. If you don't want to add that chart on your page, just click on the border of the chart and press delete button for your keyboard. Next option is screenshot. Screenshot is used to add a screen clip on your page. For example, I want this image to be placed on my document. This is open in my Word website. I want to add it on my Word document. I will go here and choose screenshot and screen clipping. Now, I will drag it to the portion where I want to take a screenshot. It will pick it up and place the picture on my page. You can also add the whole picture of something. For example, this is a little program Notepad. I want the whole picture of Notepad on my page. How I can add it? We'll go to Word and we'll go to Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and choose this one. It will take a picture of recently opened file and place it on our page. That's how we can add the screen clips or screenshots. This is an important command. This is used to make the notes and tutorials. So this was all about illustration.